If you want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails with Gamma AI, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to turn Gamma into a fast thumbnail design tool, even if you're not a designer. This is a great way to create bold, clean, and attention-grabbing thumbnail-style graphics for your videos without starting from scratch. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you already have an account, just log in as usual. If not, create one first so you can access the design tools inside Gamma. After you're signed in, look for the option that says Create New. Click that to start a brand new project. Gamma gives you different ways to begin, so you'll want to choose a visual format that works best for thumbnail style content. Depending on what's available on your account, this may be something like social post, graphic, or a blank page. For thumbnails, the goal is to choose the format that gives you the most visual control and the cleanest layout. Once you're inside the editor, you'll need to give Gamma a clear prompt. A good example would be, create a YouTube thumbnail about AI study tips. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. You want Gamma to understand that this is not just a random graphic. It needs to look bold, simple, and eye-catching so it can compete on YouTube. So in your prompt, try including style instructions too. For example, you can ask Gamma to make it bold, simple, and eye-catching. You can also mention that you want large text, strong contrast, clean spacing, and a modern layout. These kinds of details help push the design closer to a real thumbnail concept instead of a generic image. After entering your prompt, generate the design. Gamma will create a layout based on your instructions, and this is where you can start evaluating the thumbnail. Look at the title text first. Is it readable? Is it too long? Does it stand out enough on a small screen? Remember, most people will see your thumbnail as a tiny image on mobile, so the text has to be instantly clear. Next, check the image or visual element Gamma produced. If it doesn't match your topic well enough, you can edit it or swap it out for something stronger. A good thumbnail should instantly communicate the video topic, whether that's through an icon, a portrait-style image, a background visual, or a simple graphic element. Now take a look at the colors. Thumbnail design works best when the colors create strong contrast. If the background and text are too similar, the thumbnail can feel flat and hard to read. Try adjusting the colors so the main text pops. Bright text on a dark background or dark text on a bright background often works really well for YouTube. You can also refine the title text itself. Keep it short, punchy, and easy to read. If Gamma generates too much text, simplify it. A thumbnail is not a full sentence. It should be more like a visual headline that grabs attention fast. Think about what makes people want to click and turn that into a short phrase. If needed, make a few more edits to improve the overall balance of the design. Move elements around if the layout feels crowded. Reduce clutter. Make the main subject bigger. Keep the focus on one clear message. The best thumbnails are often the simplest ones because they are easy to understand at a glance. Once you're happy with the design, you can use it as your YouTube thumbnail style graphic or download it for your video workflow. If Gamma gives you a result that's close but not perfect, don't worry. You can generate again, tweak the prompt, and improve it in just a few more clicks. That's one of the biggest advantages of using AI for thumbnail creation. It speeds up the creative process and helps you test ideas quickly. So to recap, open Gamma, create a new project, choose a visual format, enter a clear thumbnail prompt, ask for a bold and eye-catching style, generate the design, and then refine the text, image, and colors until it looks right. That's the easiest way to create YouTube thumbnail-style graphics with Gamma AI. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools, YouTube growth tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.